everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am just going to unbox my new MacBook Pro that I just ordered. So today is the first anniversary of me starting my academy, Hasselpost Academy, and the last 1 year was so crazy. We had so much fun. We've seen so much growth and success that on the first anniversary, I really wanted to buy something for myself and celebrate it. So I bought a new MacBook Pro, and I needed this because my old one is in really bad condition. So I'm going to show you what is the condition of my old one first. So this is my old MacBook Pro, and by the looks of it, you can tell that this is not really in a very good condition. So the big issue that I had with this was this had major overheating issues. It used to heat a lot, and every time it would overheat, the internet would stop working, and the keyboard has completely stopped working. So I used this Magic Keyboard. I had to buy this Bluetooth keyboard, and I keep that on my laptop and I use it, which is definitely really inconvenient because like when you have to type, or there's this touch bar here which obviously doesn't work because this gets hidden with the keyboard. So it's really annoying having an external keyboard. Doesn't even completely shut properly because of the keyboard. So it was high time that I considered buying a new laptop. This, from a specs perspective, is actually pretty decent. It is still i7, and even from like the battery capacity and everything, this is a good laptop. But because of these issues, I feel like it wasn't just the right one for me. And my general idea in life is that if there's something that's going to help me in my business, my career, and is something that I use every day, I don't shy away from making sure that I have the best of that. So which is why I decided that I can use this as my spare laptop on days when if something's wrong, or if I have another member of the team joining, if anybody needs another PC, this could be that in the home, because it still functions. There's nothing really wrong with it. The personal laptop that I use on an everyday basis should be in the best of its condition. So I've got a new one here, and I am going to unbox this in front of you right now. Let's begin. Cool. So enough backstory. Let's start. So let's start with the unboxing. So I have already opened the Amazon box that it came in, and inside the box is my MacBook Pro. I'm so excited about this. It's heavy. It's really heavy. Ugh. Okay, 1 second. I am going to take this away, and yes. So this is my new MacBook Pro, and I'm going to cut it from here to get the right thing. Is this the right place to cut it? Yes. So starting from, okay, I don't even need a scissor. That's the beauty of Apple's packaging. There's no need for a scissor, and just came apart. Okay. This is my new MacBook Pro. Unboxing a new laptop is just the most beautiful feeling ever. Good. I'm just going to tear this off from here now. Okay. Yay! This is it. Yay! This looks so good. So of course the first thing I have is the laptop. I'm just going to place this here. Okay. Now I'm opening this. You have to agree to one thing: Apple is just genius at packaging. You need no additional tools whatsoever to repack something. Yay, this is the new laptop, and this is the right side. Finally. This is on. So this is the new MacBook Pro. I just turned it on and it looks absolutely beautiful. So this one is MacBook Pro 16 inches i9 chip and i9 processor and 1 TB SSD. So this is maxed out in terms of the specs that Apple has to offer at the moment, and this is arguably, they say that this is the best laptop they've ever made, as it should be, and I'm so happy that I finally have this. So for me, the biggest reason of getting this was the fact that this has 1 TB internal memory, which is so needed for a YouTuber because we have really big video files and we need a really good device that can store everything. So that, and the fact that, you know, all the other issues I had with my previous laptop, I feel like they fixed everything with it. It is definitely a little bit heavier than my previous one, maybe mostly because it's also a little bit bigger in the sense that it's 16 inches, and it's also a little thicker because they've significantly improved the battery life, so that's amazing. Now let's go into the box and see what the box has. So in the box, the first thing I have here is this manual by Apple, which says Apple designed by Apple in California, and I have these Apple stickers as always, which I can use on other things. I never use them. And of course I have this charger, the standard Apple charger, which I personally am not a big fan of the design of this one, and then the cord. So this is what I have. Is there anything else inside? Nope, this is it. This is the whole laptop. This is all that I have right now. And now I think I'm going to go ahead and set this up. I'm so excited about this new computer I have. Once I set it up, I will definitely do like a first review or something, for if some of you are interested. I will let you know how I like this laptop, but for now I am so excited. Thank you so much for unboxing this with me. It was a lot of fun for me, unboxing technology, unboxing laptops, especially something that I'm possibly going to use for the next 5 years is so exciting. So thank you so much for sticking around with me in this video. I hope you had fun seeing me unbox a piece of technology. Feel like a tech YouTuber now, but thank you so much, and I'll see you next time in the next video. Bye bye.